go first.
Hi, Niecy.
She's been whooping my ass. Not gonna have it.
Want to bet?
I just gotta let the cat
Hi,
out,
Jennifer.
but I'll be right
Hello.
back with classic Beach Boys and more #1 hits from the month.
Let's go over here and see what's roasting on the grill.
Approaching an intersection, the yellow light means caution.
Ooh, chicken and brats. Looks wonderful. What do you think, Chef? Another half hour? He's got his cooking tool, see? Pair of channel locks. We came prepared.